Everyone, this is Sriram Balaji. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use a Python script in a Copilot Studio skill. So here's a brief look at my socials, LinkedIn, YouTube, and my website. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you like to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. So just to recap, what are skills? Skills are a open format for extending AI agent capabilities. So a skill is basically a directory containing a skill.md file and optional folders like scripts, references, and assets. In this video, we will focus on scripts where we'll put the Python script. Let me walk through a quick demo of a Python script agent. So this agent which allows you to run Python scripts using skills. Let's go here. Let's say hello. Say hello using Python. Yeah, so you can see it invokes the Python uh, script. The skill is hello Python script. So and says hello world. Let's just go and say greeting. So this will again invoke another Python script, which is a skill. This is called the greeting Python script. So what it does is it collects the applicant name from the user and then yeah, and says hi. Let me say um, yeah. Yeah. So it said hi and the name, applicant name. So that is the second one. Let's start with uh, car code using external Python script. I'll just explain what's the difference between external script and inline script in a moment. So as you can see, it loaded this skill called car insurance quick code external script. This is what it does. It actually gives you a quick code. It asks for three inputs. I'll say sum assured for the car is $50,000. The make is Toyota, and then model is Accord. No, Camry rather. Yeah. So this is running the skill and is actually getting back the quick code. So let me go back and run the same skill, but here instead of using external Python script, I'll use an inline Python script. So if you can see, it runs the skill. Uh, called car insurance quick code. That's its separate skill, and then I'll just do a similar thing. I'll say 50,000. Make is, let's say, BMW, and model is X5. So it's taking all the inputs and creating the calculating the quick code. Frickle, as I said earlier, a skill is basically a folder with the skill.md and the scripts. So this is the first skill I created, hello Python script. So you have the scripts folder as well as the skill.md. I'll go to the skill.md in a moment. The next one is the greeting Python script. As you can see, it also has the scripts folder and a skill.md. The third one is the car insurance quick quote. This is only as a skill.md. So the script I'm actually embedding in line within the skill.md. I'll just walk through that in a moment. And finally, the car insurance quick quote external. Here, what I'm doing, I have the skill.md as well as the scripts folder where I have quick quote .py. Let me walk through the scripts one by one. Here is the first script which says hello world. So here I say just print hello world using Python. The second script here, it's getting the applicant name as an input and just hi, that says hi applicant name. The third one is the car insurance quick code. Here, the Python code is in line. So if you can see here, I'm taking the inputs for the Python script, like sum assured, make of car, and model, and then passing it to a Python script, right? So this is the inline Python script. So you can see I embedded like three ticks Python and then close the three tick. This means this is my Python code, which is in line within the skill.md. So we don't need a separate file in the scripts folder. The last but not the least is the same car insurance quick code, but I'm actually having the file inside the script folder. So if you can see, once all inputs are collected, run the following Python script, which is in this scripts folder, script slash quickcode.py. And here's my quickcode.py, which has the Python code, which is stored externally in the scripts folder. So once you have your skill folder, what you need to do is you need to package it to a zip file. That's all I'm going to do. So I'm just going to call it so the skill. I'll call it hello Python script. That's the skill name. Exactly the name of the skill. That should be name of the uh, file. And this I'll show you how you can upload into the Copilot Studio interface. Let me show you how to upload that zip file into the skill. So I say create new skill. It says upload a skill. I'll upload the zip file I just showed you earlier. That's the hello Python script, which has all the files needed. So I'll just click open, and this is saving the skill. This takes a few moments. So here you go. Here is your Hello Python script. So you can see a skill .md, and then we also have the hello .py. So you have these two files here, and you can also see the other skills for greeting Python script. You have the skill.md and also the Python file here, and the external quick code. So here you have the skill.md as well as the script file quickcode.py, as well as the inline one. Here you don't have the script because the script is inline. If you can see, this is the inline script, so you only have the skill.md. Just want to briefly say for this skill, I just uploaded a skill.md file because the Python script is inline. I didn't upload a zip package. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.